it's Mumia, and today we are doing the hairstyling video. So right now I'm just okay guys, yeah. So we're just sitting on my bedroom floor. Oh my gosh. So first, let's get okay guys, so before we start, I just want to say my cousin is being absolutely annoying. Yeah. So let's get started. So first of all, I always bring my hair to the front. You see, as I've not brushed it yet. I've just got up. Where's my brush? Okay, got my brush. Did I just? That's my brother, sorry. Sorry guys, that's my brother messing about. Look guys, I have a hole in my leggings. Please. Okay guys, so first, let's get a big bunch of my hair. So first, we've got the big bunch of my hair. Okay. So we have brushed this side of my hair, sort of. Let's move on to this side. Okay guys, so while I'm brushing, comment down below if I should maybe, I'm not sure, don't comment, but comment down below, I don't know. Okay guys, so do you think I should put some bows in my hair, a pink and blue bow, or this in my hair? I really want to put like the leopard print headband on, but yeah, we'll test them out. And then I think I'll have the leopard print in my hair. Yeah, the leopard print would look tight. But it was this top and these legs and these shorts. My entire outfit. Okay guys, so just an extra brush.
Not for you anyway.
Back. Bye. I'm back. Okay guys, so next of all we are going to do the ponytails.
Oh no, you upcycled my best vintage shirts!
He looks way better on me.
No, I got that in glitching in the beach jacket.
Flies me out a bit.
Right, that's it. No more upcycling. Right, from now on, it's banned. Give me back my shirt.
That's a ponytail. I will not forget. Ponytail won't go right. That's how I expected it to go. So I'm glad that it did. And yeah, guys. Oh my goodness! I'm doing oh my goodness. That did go. That side went terrible. Oh no, guys. Sorry, this is my TV show I'm watching called The Dumping Ground, which is super cool. How does this look? Yeah. Let's put this on now.
What you'll have to do to get service around here.
So I think I'll have it here. There we go. Actually, I know what I'm going to wear. This is an old hat. Oh no, that's nice. Doesn't matter. It's downstairs. I'll just keep this on. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? You think we should put a little bit of makeup on?
Oh, shut.
Maybe just a bit.
We don't do...
Maybe just a bit. Maybe. Let's put a little bit of makeup on. If this goes terrible, don't forgive me.
Are you homeless? Oh, no, I'm going to stay with my sister, Gladys.
Do you think we should have like pink?
I take my...
No. Maybe should we have a really dark purple?
No, she can't. Grand opening today? I do fancy a cup of tea.
Don't.
I could work for it. was the talk of the town.
You made your own face cream.
I was a makeup artiste. London, Paris, Milan.
It couldn't have been that special.
Then this lipstick.
We're just getting some supplies for the salon.
Oh, how's it going? I might come and have a quick foot rub. You've got to stock take the kitchen. Remember your food hygiene targets? Oh yeah. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Ah!
Kitten, right to the tortoise.
No, I'm still in recovery from kitten on a trampoline.
Oh, gorgeous kitty. Rich good horse. Can we?
No.
Good fat, evaporated milk, petroleum jelly.
Sounds vile.
Yep, so is mashed bananas, but you put that on my face.
Hey, no. No tea, not until you've given me the rest of the ingredients.
I thought you weren't interested.
It's natural and vintage. We totally know things.
Oi! Where are we going to keep our bikes?
Who's she?
My...
There we go, guys. So I was super quiet then. Sorry, guys. I did that. That was 15 minutes. I was quiet or something.
I've ever seen.
Never been that quiet, guys.
So love then, Jodie. Me and Doris are having a development meeting.
Powder. Woo, woo.
Time to rip off all how it is.
She's actually trespassing. No, she's not. She's here without permission. We could call the police on her. Get over yourself, Jodie. Scabby old bikes don't even need a garage. No, don't park them there. That's my meditation zone.
She's gone.
There we go, guys. That is my Coco makeup. I look like a clown.
We already have a perfectly good pet.
Yeah, looks way better than cats.
Stupid. Let's now.
I like it. Comment down below if you think it was good or bad. Okay, guys. So don't forget to okay. Right now. Hey, do you want to meet my dog? My dog is super cute. Let's go meet my dog. Can they meet my dog? Okay, just asking if they can meet the dog. And it's a yes. Just before we say goodbye, you get to meet my Millie Billy. My Millie. Hey, baby. Hey, how are you? Good morning. At least Samuel's not down there, my brother. No. This is my dog. How cute is she? You're not allowed to leave the scare gate. Don't be camera shy. Don't be camera shy, Millie. Don't be camera shy. Don't be camera shy. She's camera shy. We all must know that. Move it, Millie. I can't get her on camera. She's that cute and tiny. Look at her. Look at that face. How cute is she? How cute is my dog? Comment down below if you have a dog or if you're one of your friends, if it's a girl or a boy. Oh, look at you. Mine is a girl and it's called Millie, or you can call her Mildred. Say goodbye to the fans. Bye, boy. Okay, so guys, comment down. Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and put in the comment down section below what other videos you want me to do. Bye.